Hello everyone. Today we will going to learn about how to create and verify a new YouTube channel. You can create your YouTube channel from your PC as well as from your smartphone. The first thing, we require a Gmail account. So here we're going to make a new Gmail account. Press gmail.com. Here I've already made an account, so I need to create account new for myself. You can keep your name. I'm just making for the demo, so I'm just giving it this. You can change this also. You can keep your passport. Click on next. You can save, press your phone number. So the verification has been sent to your mobile number. From there you can put your verification code. You can verify. Here there is an option for your optional email address. This will help you when you forget your passport to recover your email address. I'm just giving it. No. Here you can keep your birth date as per you. Here I'm just giving. This is just for a demo. So gender is next. As I'm agree. Here now our Gmail account has been created. Here we can see that our Gmail account has been created. Now for the YouTube channel, just type youtube.com. click on the Gmail profile and press create a channel and press on the get started. Here we have two options. First shows that we use the same name of the channel as we have used in the Gmail. Just you have seen that I use DS videos in the Gmail, so it's appear here. But if you do not want to keep the same, you can also customize your name. For that, we'll go for the second option. Here you can write your channel name. I'm just keeping the same. You can also keep the different as per your choice. I'm giving DS videos. Tick on the box and click on the create button. As we can see that our channel has been created. You can choose your profile picture from here by clicking this upload picture. From here you can upload your picture which will be seen on your YouTube logo. After that, here we have channel description. You can write anything about your channel, what you are going to upload on your channel. Just you can write anything. For example, I'm writing creative videos. You can write anything about what you are going to make a video. Also, you can link your YouTube channel with your Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. After that, click on the save and continue. After that, a new screen will open, which is your channel home screen, from where you can upload your videos. Before uploading any videos, we need to verify our channel account. For the verification, here we go for the customize channel. After clicking that, a new window will appear, as we can show here. There is the setting option on the right side. Click on this setting. Here on account setting, again here on account, and here for the channel status and features. As we can see that here the verify option has been seen. Just click on the verify. Put your country name, Nepal. Here the two option has been given, one for the call and another for the text, which will be verified from your phone number. Keep your phone number, give your phone number, and giving it. Click on submit. code has been sent to your mobile. From there you can put the code. Click on the submit. As we can see that our YouTube channel has been verified. It mentions that congratulations, your YouTube channel has been verified. Now you can upload your videos from and earn money. After that, return back to your YouTube home screen, from where you can upload your videos. Just have a look. Here's the option of video, upload video, from where you can upload any type of video. Thanks for watching.